Good morning. Today I will discuss a new topic in today's video, that is the thermodynamics process. Yesterday video I have discussed about the various type of the thermodynamic processes. So there are the five type of process I have discussed. That first one is the isothermal process. Isothermal process. Second one is isobaric process. Third one is the isoporic process. Fourth one is the adiabatic process. Adiabatic process. Fifth one is the polytropic process. So in the thermodynamics, there are the five processes such as the isothermal process, adiabatic process, isoporic process, adiabatic, polytropic. These are the various type of the processes. So after this, we have to drive the how to calculate the work done into the various different processes. So in the today videos, I will discuss about one by one that how to drive the expression for the work done in the various thermodynamic processes. So you have to know first the five processes and its relevant formula regarding to calculation of the work done. So when we solve the numerical about the different type of the processes, so you must learn about the work done in various process. So while we drive the various processes work done, the formula you have to remember 2.3 work done for isothermal process, MRT log V2 upon V1. Work done for isobaric process, that is P V2 minus V1. Point to be remember that in the isoporic process the volume remains same, so that value is equal to 0. In the isoporic process the net work done is 0. In the adiabatic process the net work done is P1 V1 minus P2 V2 upon gamma minus 1, and in the polytropic process this value is P1 V1 minus P2 V2 upon n minus 1. So these are the different formulas for the work done in the thermodynamics process. So first of all we have to learn the various processes, formula of the work done of the various processes. Regarding this, then we drive the how these formulas have to be derived. So one by one we discuss about. First one is a isothermal process. So in isothermal process, how the work done is to be calculated? It is to be calculated by area under the curve, either the curve plot for isothermal process. This one is the P, this one is the V. In the PV diagram, that isothermal process curve line represented by into this way. Either isothermal process, either polytropic process, both the curve line should be in this way. So in this line, this one is the P2, this one is P1. Similarly, this one is V2, this one is the V1. So 2 here, so 2 P2 is here, 1, this one is P1, 2, this is V2, this is V1. This is isothermal process. Whenever we drive the work done process in any thermodynamics process, a single formula that will be used in each and every case, that is W is equal to 1 to 2 P dV. In the thermodynamic system, there are the two types of the work done is to be calculated. One is the work done by the system and another one is the work done on the system. So here a basic formula. So while we drive the work done in any process, this is the fundamental basic formula. W is equal to 1 to 2 PdV. By this formula, we derive the different ones. So here, this one is the isothermal process. We know that from the ideal equation, Pv is equal to mRT. So from this formula, P can be calculated by mRT upon V. Simplify this, P की value ये आ गई. अब put the value of P in this equation. So W is equal to 1 to 2 mRT upon V into dV. mRT outside constant 1 upon V dV. So the integration of 1 by V dV, that is equal to the natural base log E ln base E mRT ln E या V2 by V1. This one is the ln E. Then W is equal to mRT ln V2 by V1 या ln replace होगा, that comes mRT log V2 by V1. So the net work done into the isothermal process, this value is 2.3 mRT log V2 upon V1. जनरली स्टूडेंट्स में एक प्रॉब्लम होती है कि जो बुक से कंपेयर करते हैं कि किसी बुक में फॉर्मूला ये दिया है, किसी बुक में फॉर्मूला ये दिया है. सो द पॉइंट टू बी रिमेंबर दैट when the ln is to be replaced by the log, so this E base is to be substituted by multiplying 2.3 in front. That value is 2.3 mRT log V2 by V1. So this is the basic difference. अगर हम ln लेंगे तो यहाँ 2.3 से मल्टीप्लाई नहीं होगा, और अगर ln हम हटाएंगे log लिखेंगे तो 2.3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So work done in the isothermal process, that is to be calculated. A very simple derivation for calculating the work done in the isothermal process. So you have to learn this formula. Whenever the question will be solved, then we put the value of the different volumes. We calculate the work done for the different manner. Next is the isobaric process. In isobaric process, the pressure remains constant. So here again we derive the formula that how to the work done in the isobaric process. जब process different होगा तो आपका work done का formula भी जो है वो different होगा. तो in isobaric process यहाँ पे हमने बताया था pressure remains same. Fundamental formula for the work done calculation 1 to 2 PdV. In this formula, that value is to be calculated. That value is pressure is remains constant. So P into V PdV, that value is equal to P V2 minus V1. So a simple equation comes while calculation the work done in the isobaric process. W is equal to P V2 minus V1. Next is the This one is second. Third one is the isoporic process. W is equal to integration of 1 to 2 p dv. This value p integration of 1 to 2 dv, that value is equal to p v2 minus v1. But in isoporic process, volume remains constant. जब भी हम बात करेंगे आइसोकोरिक प्रोसेस की, देन द वॉल्यूम रिमेन्स कांस्टेंट. दिस वैल्यू v1 is equal to v2 and this value work done is equal to p v2 minus v1. जब हम v2 को v1 के इक्वल करेंगे, that value becomes 0. So the net work done in the isoporic process is equal to 0. One is the isobaric process, PV2 minus V1. In the isoporic process, the net work done is 0. The next derivation is adiabatic process. So these two are quite simple, adiabatic and polytropic as well as isothermal. But the simple mathematical expression is to be solved in adiabatic process as well as the polytropic process. So a simple fundamental equations, W is equal to integration P dv. This is the basic approach to solve any derivation. So from one time when you solve by self, then it is not to be quite difficult. This one is second. Fourth one is the adiabatic process. Okay, adiabatic process. Fourth one. Ab we know that the final term will be derived, that is W is equal to P1 V1 minus P2 V2 upon n minus 1. So how it is to be derived? We know that work done W is equal to 1 to 2 P dv. अब देखो जितना भी हमने डेरिवेशन किया, स्टार्टिंग में हर जगह हमने इसी इक्वेशंस को लिखा है 1 to 2 P dv. So this is a fundamental equation for any thermodynamics process. अब अगर एडियाबेटिक प्रोसेस है तो P1 V1 रेज टू द पावर गामा इज इक्वल टू P2 V2 रेज टू द पावर गामा. वर्क डन इन द एडियाबेटिक प्रोसेस, दिस फॉर्मूला विल बी यूज्ड. P1 V1 रेज टू द पावर गामा दैट इज इक्वल टू द P2 V2 रेज टू द पावर गामा. अब इसको अगर हम सिंप्लीफाई कर लें, PV के पावर गामा इज इक्वल टू C and this P can be write P is equal to C upon V raised to the power gamma. ये है एडियाबेटिक प्रोसेस का वर्क डन. अब पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ P इन दिस इक्वेशन. तो जैसे ही हम इक्वेशन में पुट करेंगे 1 to 2 P की जगह C अपॉन V के पावर गामा इंटू dV. बस अगर यहां तक कर लिया डेरिवेशन, तो बाकी सारा जो है दैट इज द सिंपल मैथमेटिकल एक्सप्रेशन हाउ टू ड्राइव इंटीग्रेट एनी इक्वेशन. सो दिस वन इज द C is constant outside, this becomes 1 upon V raised to the power gamma dV. Solving this, V के पावर minus gamma plus 1 upon minus gamma plus 1 C. This is V2 to V1. A simple mathematical expression is to be derived by this values and put PV के power gamma and solve this. We can write here, after solving the expression, after solving this expression, W is equal to P1 V1 minus P2 V2 अपॉन गामा माइनस 1. अब एक चीज और है इस चीज में, कहीं कहीं आपको बुक में दिखेगा P2 V2 माइनस P1 V1 अपॉन गामा माइनस 1. तो इसमें बहुत कंफ्यूज होने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर प्रेशर इनिशियल का ज्यादा है तो P1 लेंगे, और अगर एग्जिट का कम है तो वो P2 लेंगे। अगर साइमल्टेनियसली P2 ज्यादा है तो P2 फ्रंट में आएगा। सो दिस इज फॉर्मूला फॉर द एडियाबेटिक प्रोसेस। फिफ्थ वन इज पॉलीट्रॉपिक प्रोसेस। Polytropic process, again similarly 1 to 2 pdv। अगर पॉलीट्रॉपिक प्रोसेस की बात करें तो यहां पे आता है एक स्मॉल n, इसको हम बोलते हैं पॉलीट्रॉपिक इंडेक्स नंबर। तो इसको हम अगेन वी नो दैट pv के पावर n इज इक्वल टू कांस्टेंट। अगर एडियाबेटिक था तो गामा लिखा था, और अगर पॉलीट्रॉपिक है तो n लिखा है। तो pv के पावर n इज इक्वल टू c, वी कैन राइट हियर p इज इक्वल टू c अपॉन v रेज टू द पावर n। अगेन पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ p 1 to 2 c v upon 1 dv। अगेन इंटीग्रेटिंग दिस v minus n plus 1 upon minus n plus 1 c 1 to 2, same similar expression will become, only the basic difference is gamma is replaced by n and all the derivative terms will be same, and after getting this, solving this mathematical expression, direct we can write here w is equal to the p1 v1 minus p2 v2 upon n minus 1. So look here that when the work done in adiabatic process, the gamma symbol is here, and when polytropic process, n symbol will be there. So these are the 5 simple derivative form of the work done in various thermodynamics process. How we implement into the different processes, this will be more easy while we solve a numerical. Before solving the numerical, we will discuss about the diagram of each processes. हर एक डायग्राम जो कि डिफरेंट प्रोसेसेस है उसके अकॉर्डिंग जो एरिया अंडर द कर्व है दैट विल बी आल्सो बी डिफरेंट। सो we draw the diagram for the various thermodynamics process. First is the polytropic process, starting one by one, not polytropic. First one is the isothermal process. Isothermal process, the curve represent in such a way, this is the area under the curve PV। सबसे पहले हम सारे कर्व बना लें, जो बेसिक है कॉमन है सब में। आइसोथर्मल प्रोसेस, आइसोबैरिक प्रोसेस, सिंपल एरिया अंडर द कर्व PV। Again, third one is the isoporic process. Isoporic process, the area under the curve in this way PV। Fourth one is the adiabatic process. Adiabatic process, the curve represented by in such a way PV। Next is the fifth, polytropic process. The area of the curve PV, this one। पांचों अगर हम ग्राफ की बात करें तो अभी स्टार्टिंग में पांचों का कर्व सिमिलरली PV 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 सब में लिखा गया है। अब जो डिफरेंस है वही हमें माइंड में सेट करना है कि हाउ द डिफरेंट कर्व ड्रॉ इनटू द डिफरेंट प्रोसेसेस। इन द आइसोथर्मल प्रोसेस द कर्व गोज इनटू द curved shape. Point to be remember, आइसोथर्मल में कर्व शेप होगा, आइसोबारिक में प्रेशर कांस्टेंट है। तो अगर प्रेशर कांस्टेंट है तो जनरली बच्चे क्या करते हैं कि जो प्रेशर कांस्टेंट है तो ये इस तरीके से ड्रा कर देते हैं कि यही प्रेशर की लाइन है, बट दिस इज टोटली रॉन्ग। व्हेन द प्रेशर इज कांस्टेंट तो ठीक उसी के अपोजिट, अगर प्रेशर की लाइन ऊपर गई है तो उसके जस्ट अपोजिट कांस्टेंट होगा वॉल्यूम। दिस वन इज आइसोबारिक प्रेशर कर्व। आइसोकोरिक में वॉल्यूम कांस्टेंट होता है तो कांस्टेंट वाली लाइन आपको दिखेगी ये, लेकिन जस्ट इसके अपोजिट दिस वन इज आइसोकोरिक लाइन। In the adiabatic process and in the polytropic process, both the curve is similar as usual in the isothermal as well as adiabatic and polytropic process. तो यहाँ पे अगर हम इसको कर्व को फेज 1 to 2, this one here 1 to 2, here this is 1 to 2, area under the curve we represent by the dotted line that the curve shape into this way, similar this way, this is the polytropic process. So graph number 1, graph number 4 and 5, three curves are similar and the two is isobaric process and isochoric process. So in this video we discuss about various processes work done and how it represented by the area under the curve. Now we discuss about the numerical regarding various thermodynamics processes. Now we take a numerical regarding thermodynamics processes. A numerical during the process 0.2 kg, not 0.2 kg, 2 kg of air is escaped at a temperature of 80 kilopascal and temperature of 290 Kelvin. It is compressed polytropically. It is compressed polytropically until the temperature and pressure becomes until the temperature and pressure becomes 1400 kilopascal and 480 Kelvin. Find the polytropic index. Find the polytropic index, इसको हम कह सकते हैं work done and final volume. Take universal gas constant R is equal to 287 joule per kilogram Kelvin. Generally this question is based upon the thermodynamics processes. Again we read the numerical. During the process 2 kg of air is kept at a temperature of 80 kilopascal and temperature of 290 Kelvin. It is compressed polytropically until the temperature and pressure becomes 1400 kilopascal and 480 Kelvin. Find the polytropic index work done and final volume. So in this numerical, first, while solving any numerical, you have to know about which type of data is to be given in the numerical and what value is to be determined. A very important side view for a numerical while we solve. So here the main data that is given: mass, pressure, inlet, and the temperature of inlet and exit. So one by one we see the what parameter is to be given and which value is to be determined. So first of all, here we write that during the process 2 kg of escaped. It means that mass of the air m is equal to 2 kg. So first we read the numerical, then we point out which value is to be considered. M is 2 kg, the temperature T, that is equal to 80 kilopascal, temperature is not 80, 290 Kelvin. Pressure is P1, 80 kilopascal. Again, until its temperature and pressure becomes this, P2 is equal to 1400 kilopascal and temperature is equal to 480 Kelvin. Find the N, work done, and find the N, work done and volume. कौन सा volume? Find the final volume. हमेशा ये चीज रहेगा कि find the final volume. It means final volume is V2. अगर हम न्यूमेरिकल को पढ़ के ये इतना डाटा साइड में लिख लेते हैं तो इट इज द वे ऑफ थॉट दैट हाउ टू सॉल्व एनी न्यूमेरिकल. सो point to be remember that while solving the numerical we focus about which data is to be required for solving the numerical, applying the particular formula, and which value have to be determined, that is to be calculating, we write here in a side way into this way. Then there are no need to read again and again while we solve the numerical, because the data is to be here in a simulate way, then we solve the numerical. सबसे पहले n की जो मतलब है, n is polytropic index number. पॉलीट्रॉपिक इंडेक्स नंबर n की वैल्यू हमें डिटरमाइन करना है. तो अगर जब तक फॉर्मूला याद नहीं होगा, कोई भी न्यूमेरिकल चाहे जितना भी आसान क्यों ना हो, वो न्यूमेरिकल सॉल्व नहीं हो सकता है. तो न्यूमेरिकल लगाने के लिए सबसे पहली ये हमें जरूरत है कि क्वेश्चन हम पढ़ेंगे, देखेंगे किस टॉपिक से रिलेटेड है, उसमें कौन से फॉर्मूला यूज हुए हैं. तो जब हमने न्यूमेरिकल पढ़ा तो वहां सीधे लिखा हुआ था कि द पॉलीट्रॉपिक इंडेक्स. तो जैसे ही पॉलीट्रॉपिक इंडेक्स हुआ, पॉलीट्रॉपिक इन द थर्मोडायनेमिक्स, इट इज इन द पॉलीट्रॉपिक प्रोसेस, एंड दिस वर्क डन इनटू द पॉलीट्रॉपिक प्रोसेस, दैट फॉर्मूला विल बी P1 V1 minus P2 V2 upon n minus 1. अब in the numerical the value of initial is P1. Pressure starting is less and after escaped either expansion, that value is given 1400. So here we can write is P2 V2 P1 V1. Sign convention doesn't matter so much because the work done is to be negative, either positive, but generally we take the major value or larger value into the first side and the smaller value into the second side. In the same way, if the pressure inlet is greater, then we can write P1 V1 minus P2 V2 upon N minus 1. So put the value similarly. P2, अब यहां पे P2 की वैल्यू दिया है 1400 किलो पास्कल। तो जनरली जो यूनिट होता है, हम सारे यूनिट्स को एक साथ अगर मैच करें तो ये इसको लिखा जा सकता है 10 टू द पावर 3 और 1 पास्कल इज इक्वल टू 1 न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर. So this can be written as this way. Again P2 is 1400 into 10 to the power 3 Newton per meter square. So this way 1400 into 10 to the power 3 V2, that V2 is not to be given, minus P1 80 into 10 to the power 3, that value of V1 upon N minus 1. In this numerical, neither V2 value is to be given, V2 तो निकालना है, neither V1 value is to be given. So from this polytropic process, we calculate the work done into this way. P1 V1 raised to the power n is equal to P2 V2 raised to the power n. अब यहाँ पे P1 P2 दिया है, V1 और V2 दोनों नहीं दिया है, but T1 और T2 दिया है. But in the numerical, we required value of V2 and V1, so we know that PV by T is equal to constant, either P1 V1 upon T1 is equal to P2 V2 upon T2. We put the value of V2 by V1, so we can write that V2 by V1 is equal to P1 by P2 into T2 by T1, and this value is put is here in equation number 1. Then P1 by P2, that value is equal to V2 by V1 raised to the power n. We can write V2 by V1, this value is P1 by P2 into, we put here P1 by P2 value, that P1 by P2 is equal to V2 by V1 raised to the power n, but here we simplify the value P1 by P2, this value V2 by V1 हमें एलिमिनेट करना है, तो यहां से V2 by V1 की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी, V2 by V1 raised to the power n is equal to P1 by P2, either V2 by V1, that value is equal to P1 by P2 raised to the power 1 upon n. This value V2 by V1 यहाँ पे पुट करेंगे, P1 by P2 raised to the power 1 upon n is equal to P1 by P2 into T1 by T2. यहाँ पे हम T1 by T2 को लिख सकते हैं T1 by T2, that value is equal to P1 by P2 1 minus 1 upon n, तो n minus 1 upon n. तो जो अभी हमने ड्राइव किया है फॉर द पॉलीट्रॉपिक प्रोसेस, डायरेक्ट एज ए फॉर्मूला हम इस चीज को कंसीडर कर लेंगे. अब यहाँ पे T1 और T2 की वैल्यू सिमिलरली 290 केल्विन दिया है, T2 की वैल्यू दिया है, एंड इन दिस फॉर्मूला P1 V1 रेज़ टू द पावर P2 V2. So direct we can solve by putting the value of this P1 V1 is equal to MR T1. तो डायरेक्ट आप चाहे कन्वर्जन इस तरीके से करें, या डायरेक्ट अगर m की वैल्यू दिया है तो हम इसको, m की वैल्यू भी दिया है जो कि 2 है, r की वैल्यू दिया हुआ है न्यूमेरिकल में, दैट r वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू 287, r इज वैल्यू इज 287, T1 वैल्यू इज गिवन 290, P1 pressure value is 80 into 10 to the power 3. So we can solve V1. V1 is the initial volume. Solving this, we get the result V1 value. V1 is this. Solving this, we solve the value of V1. V1 की वैल्यू पता चल गई. Again P1 V1 upon T1 is equal to P2 V2 upon T2. From ideal equation P1 पता है, T1 पता है, T2 पता है, V1 पता है, P2 पता है, V2 निकल जाएगा. जैसे ही V2 निकलेगा, V1 और V2 की वैल्यू डिटरमाइन करके यहाँ पे पुट करेंगे, देन जो हमें फाइनल V2 वॉल्यूम की वैल्यू है वो डिटरमाइन हो गई. अब वर्क डन और इंडेक्स नंबर निकालना है. इंडेक्स नंबर कैसे निकालते हैं? P1 V1 के पावर n इज इक्वल टू P2 V2 के पावर n. P1 P2 पता है, V1 V2 हमने निकाल लिया. स्मॉल n की वैल्यू उसको हम सिंप्लीफाई करके इजिली मैथमेटिकल वे से आप सॉल्व कर लेंगे. वर्क डन निकालना है, n की वैल्यू पता हो गई, n की वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे, V2 की वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे और V1 की वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे. तो फ्रॉम दिस we get the result of n, work done and V2. Okay. Second numerical, simple. This numerical is a mass of gas is compressed in quasi-static process. Quasi-static के बारे में हम आपको डिस्कस करेंगे in next video. That what is quasi-static? तो quasi का मतलब बस ये जान लो कि quasi means होता है slow. The slow infinitesimally process from 80 kilopascal, 0.1 meter cube to 0.4 megapascal, 0.3 meter cube. Assume that pressure and volume are related to PV raised to the power n is equal to C. Find the WD by the system. Work done by the system. Generally, this type of question may arise into the competitive exam, into the GATE examination and various types of the competitions, that how to calculate the work done into the adiabatic process as well as into the thermodynamics process. तो here a single, जैसा कि अभी हमने पहले वाले न्यूमेरिकल में डिस्कस किया था, जब भी कोई न्यूमेरिकल लगाते हैं तो जो डाटा रेलिवेंट है या जो डाटा न्यूमेरिकल में दिया है उस न्यूमेरिकल के हिसाब से हम पहले डाटा को लिख लेते हैं, या गिवन डाटा. कौन कौन सा डाटा यहां गिवन है? ए मास ऑफ गैस इज कंप्रेस्ड इन क्वासी-स्टैटिक प्रोसेस फ्रॉम 80 kilopascal. P1 is equal to 80 kilopascal. Volume 0.1 meter cube up to volume P2 0.4 megapascal, V2 0.03 meter cube. Assume that the process is polytropic. Calculate the value of n. Calculate the value of not n, calculate the value of work done. तो जाहिर सी बात है जब वर्क डन हम निकालेंगे हम लोग बार बार ये फॉर्मूला लिखेंगे, ऑटोमेटिक हमें याद हो जाएगा P1 V1 माइनस P2 V2 अपॉन n माइनस 1. दिस इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर वर्क डन इन पॉलीट्रॉपिक प्रोसेस. P1 की वैल्यू दिया है, P2 की दिया है, V1 की दिया है, V2 की दिया है, बट n नहीं दिया है. तो सबसे पहले n निकालने के लिए P1 V1 के पावर n इज इक्वल टू P2 V2 के पावर n into the polytropic process. Put the value of P1 80 kilopascal. Point to be remember that always we check the unit, all the unit must be into the same way. Here we calculate kilopascal in Newton per meter square. This value is 80 into 10 to the power 3 Newton per meter square. Next value is P2 0.4 megapascal. Again 1 mega is equal to 10 to the power 6 pascal and 1 pascal is equal to 1 Newton per meter square. So both the unit must be same while putting the value into the equation. P1 is 80 into 10 to the power 3. V1 value is given 0.1 raised to the power n. into is equal to P2, that value is given 0.4 into 10 to the power मेगा है तो मेगा का मतलब 6 होगा 10 to the power 6 into V2 value is 0.03 raised to the power n. This value is to be put and solving this simplify by calculator, that value n is to be solved, n is equal to 1.34. So while solving the value of n, that is to be calculated, n value is 1.34. We don't need to solve the value of n, but while we solve the numerical, that in the work done into the polytropic process P1 V1 minus P2 V2 by n minus 1, we must be required the value of n. So we put all these value, W is equal to P1, that value is 80 into 10 to the power 3, V1, that V1 is equal to 0.1 minus P2, the value of P2 is 0.4 into 10 to the power 6 into V2, the V2 is given 0.03 upon n minus 1, that value of n 1.34 minus 1. So by putting all the terms P1, V1, P2, V2 and n, then simply this is a simple mathematical calculation. We put all the values into the calculator and we get the result. But while we put any numerical result, we must check the unit. Students always do the mistake that they don't consider about the unit, whatever they write, joule, kilojoule, this one. Not. The unit is to be calculated according to the given quantity of the value, according to the subjected data. So here the P1 value is given into Newton per meter square. जब हम P1 से V1 में मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं V1 की वैल्यू मीटर क्यूब, तो न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर इनटू मीटर क्यूब, दैट वैल्यू बिकम्स न्यूटन मीटर एंड न्यूटन मीटर इज द यूनिट ऑफ जूल. सो जनरली वी पुट द वैल्यू रेलिवेंट किलो जूल, तो न्यूटन मीटर में हमारी वैल्यू आएगी वर्क डन में, इसको हम सॉल्व करेंगे, दैट वैल्यू इज इन जूल. इट मे आल्सो बी राइट इनटू द किलो जूल, डिवाइड बाय 1000, that value is it in the kilojoule. So in the today video we discuss about how many types of the thermodynamics process, how to implement the formulas into the numerical of the different phases, such as today I discuss about adiabatic process, polytropic process. In the next video we discuss about different processes and its numerical. Okay, thank you.